Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, welcome to second episode on piston ring removal procedure of Tanabe air compressor. Today I don't want to elongate my introduction. So viewers, let's jump to our main topic.
Viewers, here we are removing second stage oil scraper ring and also piston rings. First stage piston ring also can be removed by following this procedure. After removing all second stage piston ring, going to clean the piston ring grooves and also inspect all the parts of the piston. Here we are fitting back the new piston ring. Fitting should be done as per the manual. Must be checked the serial of the piston ring, which one will go first and which one will go last. And also need to check the direction of the piston, that which part should be upside and which part should be downside. Compressor block or compressor liner should be clean as smooth as possible. All the taper area and all the liner area should be very smooth. And be careful that dust should not go inside the crankshaft. Connecting rod bearing inspection is now going on. This is connecting rod, big and side special type bearing. Material of this type of bolt is ultimate tensile steel. Before putting back piston assembly, must apply lube oil on piston and liner inner wall. Piston ring rearrangement is going on as per piston ring gap. Piston ring gap should be 180 degree opposite to each other. When piston assembly is lowering down from both sides of the second stage valve port, we have to monitor the piston ring position and also take a screwdriver to squeeze the second stage piston ring for effective or efficient lowering of piston. Rest all the parts of the compressor should be fitted back after proper cleaning and renewing some o-ring and gasket. Assembly sequence of all components must be as a reverse of the dismantling sequence, and it should be followed as per the manual. My dear viewers, this is the end of the today's episode. If you want to learn more or details, you can join my tuition classes. Thank you.